Faux noodles are like the superheroes of the noodle world, saving your taste buds one bowl at a time. They're made from rice, which means they're gluten-free, so you can eat them while pretending to be healthy. Faux noodles are so slippery, they could win a gold medal in the Noodle Olympics for most likely to escape your chopsticks. You can find faux noodles swimming in a delicious broth, like they're on a noodle vacation in flavor paradise. They love to hang out with herbs, lime, and chili, making them the life of the party in your bowl. Faux noodles are so versatile, they can be dressed up with beef, chicken, or even tofu. Talk about a noodle with options. Eating faux noodles is like a warm hug for your stomach, but with a side of, why did I order the large size? So next time you slurp those noodles, remember, you're not just eating, you're participating in a noodle revolution. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to eat faux properly, or as I like to call it, how to make a mess in 10 easy steps. Step 1. Approach the bowl like it's a sacred treasure because it is. Just ask your taste buds. Step 2. Grab your chopsticks like you're about to perform a magic trick because you will need some serious skills. Step 3. Attempt to pick up the noodles without launching them across the room. This is where the real challenge begins. Step 4. Add the herbs and lime like you're decorating a masterpiece, because this is art, folks. Step 5. Slurp those noodles like you're auditioning for a spaghetti eating contest. Bonus points for style. Step 6. Don't forget to make eye contact with your friends while eating, because nothing says I love you like noodle sauce on your face. And finally, Step 7. Embrace the inevitable food coma that follows. It's the faux hug you never knew you needed.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.